The planet Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, has a name deeply rooted in mythology and astronomy. Unlike most planets, whose names derive from Roman deities, Uranus stands apart as the only planet named after a Greek god. The process of naming Uranus was neither straightforward nor immediate, reflecting the historical developments in astronomy, mythology, and linguistic traditions. This video explores the origins, influences, and significance of the name Uranus, tracing its journey from ancient mythology to modern celestial nomenclature. Before delving into the etymology of Uranus, it is essential to understand the historical context of its discovery. British astronomer William Herschel first observed Uranus on March 13, 1781. Unlike the five classical planets known since antiquity, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, Uranus was the first planet discovered with the aid of a telescope, marking a significant milestone in observational astronomy. Initially, Herschel believed he had discovered a comet, but subsequent observations confirmed its planetary nature. With this revelation came the need to name the new celestial body. Herschel himself proposed the name Georgium Sidus, George's star, in honor of King George III of England, a move likely influenced by national pride and his personal patronage by the king. However, this name was not widely accepted outside Britain, as astronomers in other European nations sought a more universally appropriate name. The name Uranus owes its existence largely to the efforts of German astronomer Johann Bode. Bode, who refined Uranus's orbital calculations and helped confirm its planetary status, argued that the new planet should follow the classical tradition of planetary nomenclature, drawing from mythology. He proposed the name Uranus, after the Greek primordial deity Uranus, the personification of the sky. Bode's reasoning was grounded in mythological continuity. The known planets at the time were named after Roman gods. Jupiter, Zeus in Greek, was the son of Saturn, Cronus in Greek, and in mythology, Saturn was the son of Uranus. Thus, naming the new planet Uranus fit neatly within this celestial lineage, reinforcing a logical mythological progression. In Greek mythology, Uranus, or Uranos, was one of the primordial deities representing the sky. He was both the son and consort of Gaia, the earth, with whom he fathered the Titans, the Cyclopes, and the Hecatoncheires, hundred-handed giants. Uranus ruled the heavens but was eventually overthrown by his son Cronus, Saturn in Roman mythology, who castrated him with a sickle provided by Gaia. The severed parts of Uranus fell into the sea, giving rise to Aphrodite, Venus in Roman mythology. The name Uranus, therefore, carries profound mythological significance, symbolizing the sky's vast and eternal nature. The connection between Uranus, Saturn, and Jupiter in mythological hierarchy further strengthened the appropriateness of Bode's proposal. Despite Bode's strong arguments, the name Uranus was not immediately accepted. The British preferred Herschel's Georgium Sidus, while the French favored Herschel to honor the discoverer. However, over time, the name Uranus gained traction, particularly in German and other European scientific circles. By the mid-19th century, Uranus had become the internationally recognized name for the seventh planet, cementing its place in astronomical nomenclature. The name Uranus has presented linguistic challenges, particularly in English. The Latinized form Uranus, from the Greek Uranos, led to varied pronunciations. The traditional English pronunciation places emphasis on the first syllable, sounding like Ur-unus or Ur-unus. However, an alternative pronunciation, Uranus, has emerged, partly to avoid the unintended humorous resemblance to your anus. In other languages, pronunciation varies according to phonetic rules. For instance, in German, it is pronounced U-ra-nus, closer to the original Greek pronunciation. Despite the variations, the name has remained consistent in its spelling and meaning across cultures. The name Uranus carries not only mythological weight, but also scientific significance. As the first planet discovered with a telescope, Uranus marked a new era in astronomy, symbolizing humanity's expanding knowledge of the cosmos. The mythological Uranus, as the sky god, metaphorically aligns with this idea of celestial discovery and exploration. Additionally, the name Uranus has permeated various cultural and literary works, appearing in poetry, science fiction, and philosophical discussions. The association of Uranus with the heavens has inspired numerous interpretations, from astrological connections to symbolic representations of change, progress, and revolution. The name Uranus is a fascinating example of how mythology, astronomy, and language intersect in celestial nomenclature. From its discovery by William Herschel to Johann Bode's advocacy for its mythological name, the journey of Uranus's naming reflects historical, cultural, and scientific developments. Today, Uranus stands as a testament to both ancient mythology and modern astronomy, a celestial body that continues to inspire wonder and exploration. Its name, deeply rooted in the primordial skies, serves as a reminder of humanity's enduring quest to understand the universe.